Hello students, my name is Sanket and welcome to my world of mathematics in Sanket Sir's Maths Academy. Thank you for liking the first video on trigonometry. Today we will take up the next video. So let us start the second video on Introduction to Trigonometry. In the last video we got introduced to the concept of trigonometry, which is the study of measures of three sides of a triangle. And in our case, we study only right-angled triangles. So here we have a right-angled triangle ABC, which is right-angled at vertex B. That is, angle B is 90 degree. Next, we name the three sides of the right-angled triangle with respect to the two acute angles. Which are the two acute angles here? They are angle A and angle C. We name the three sides as either hypotenuse or opposite side or adjacent side. With respect to, yes, the angle A or angle C. Let us start naming. Let us first consider the acute angle A. So for angle A, what will be the opposite side? The opposite side will be BC. So let us write down very quickly. Let's write down the opposite side for angle A as BC. And what will be the adjacent side? The adjacent side for angle A will be AB. The adjacent side is AB. Now we look out for the other acute angle C. For angle C, what will be the opposite side? The opposite side of angle C is AB and the adjacent side is BC. Let us make a note of it. So we have opposite side as AB and adjacent side as BC. Also note that in both the cases, for both the acute angles, always in right angle triangle, what will be the hypotenuse? The hypotenuse is always AC, which I have written in the diagram as well. So hypotenuse in both the cases will be AC. We defined three trigonometric ratios for the acute angles A and C. What were the first three trigonometric ratios? They were sine, cosine, and tangent, called as sine, cos, and tan. What was the definition of sine? The definition of sine was opposite side upon hypotenuse. The definition of cos was adjacent side upon hypotenuse. And the definition of tan was opposite side upon adjacent side. Now let us write down the values of sine, cos, and tan for the first acute angle. We'll consider that acute angle as angle A. So we will write the values which side upon which side for sine A followed by cos A and then tan A. Now sine A, sine we have just defined as opposite side upon hypotenuse. So for angle A, let's look in the table for angle A. What is the opposite side? BC. What is the hypotenuse? AC. So by definition of sine A will be BC upon AC. Right, students? Perfect. Now, what is the definition of next trigonometric ratio? We want to find cos A. Cos is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. In our triangle for angle A, adjacent side is AB, hypotenuse is AC. So I will write cos A as AB upon AC. The next trigonometric ratio is tan. I need to find tan A. What is tan A? Tan A's definition, opposite side upon adjacent side. For angle A, the opposite side is BC, adjacent side is AB. So tan A is going to be BC upon AB. Those were the three trigonometric ratios for angle A, the first three trigonometric ratios. The next three trigonometric ratios are cosecant, secant, and cotangent, shortened as cosecant as cosec, secant becomes sec, cotangent becomes cot. Now, these trigonometric ratios are basically reciprocals. right? That is numerator becomes denominator, denominator becomes numerator. That is reciprocal. So these new three trigonometric ratios are reciprocals of the first three trigonometric ratios. So which were the first three? Sine, cos and tan. Let us see which of the new is reciprocal of which from the first. Observe the third letter of the names of the new trigonometric ratios. In cosec, the third letter is S, which is the reciprocal from the original. What starts with S? It is sine. So cosec is reciprocal of sine. Sine was opposite upon hypotenuse. Cosec will be reciprocal hypotenuse upon opposite. Next is sec, third letter C. What starts with C in the original? Cos. If cos was adjacent side upon hypotenuse, sec will be its reciprocal hypotenuse upon adjacent side. And the last, the sixth trigonometric ratio is cot. Observe the third letter T in the original. T stands for tan, and tan was opposite side upon adjacent side. So its reciprocal will be cot, that is adjacent side upon opposite side. Next three trigonometric ratios for the acute angle A. So we have the first trigonometric ratio, cosec A. What was the definition of cosec? Hypotenuse upon opposite. And for acute angle A, hypotenuse AC opposite BC, the ratio is AC upon BC. The next trigonometric ratio is sec A. What's the definition of sec? Hypotenuse upon adjacent. And for angle A, hypotenuse AC adjacent side AB, sec A is AC upon AB. And the last trigonometric ratio for the acute angle A, cot A. Definition of cot is adjacent side upon opposite side. And for acute angle A, adjacent side is AB, opposite side is BC. So cot A will be AB upon BC. And now let us define the same six trigonometric ratios for the other acute angle, that is C. And first one is sine C. Sine, opposite side upon hypotenuse. In the table on the left, we see that for C, opposite side is AB, hypotenuse AC. So sine of angle C will be AB upon AC. Cos C, adjacent upon hypotenuse for C, adjacent BC, hypotenuse AC. Cos of angle C will be BC upon AC. Tan C. What's tan? Opposite upon adjacent. For C, opposite is AB, adjacent is BC. Tan of C will be AB upon BC. Cosec C. Cosec is reciprocal of sine, hypotenuse upon opposite. You can also look at sine and just make its reciprocal. Sine of C was AB upon AC. Cosec of C will be AC upon AB. Next, sec. Sec is reciprocal of, yes, cos. So reciprocal of cos. Cos C was BC upon AC. Sec of angle C will be AC upon BC. And the last one, cot, was the reciprocal of tan. Tan of angle C is AB upon BC. Cot of angle C will be BC upon AB. Those are the six trigonometric ratios of the other acute angle C. And now that we have learned the six trigonometric ratios, let us understand some tricks to remember the names and their definitions. The first three trigonometric ratios, sine, cos, and tan, can be remembered using this mnemonic, the acronym SOHCAHTOA. That is SOH. That is sine stands for opposite upon hypotenuse. Ka, CAH, that is cos, which is equal to adjacent upon hypotenuse, and TOA, that is tan, is equal to opposite upon adjacent. Next three trigonometric ratios, which are cosec, sec, and cot, are the reciprocals of the first three. How to remember which is reciprocal of which? We look at the third letter of the second set of trigonometric ratios. In cosec, the third letter is S. Starting from S, the original trigonometric ratio is sine, so cosec is a reciprocal of sine. Sec, the third letter is C. Starting from C, the original trigonometric ratio is cos. So sec is equal to 1 upon cos. And cot, the third letter is T. Starting from 3, the original trigonometric ratio is tan. So cot is reciprocal of tan, that is 1 upon tan. These were the 6 trigonometric ratios that we will be using in all the chapters associated with trigonometry.